Hello, my name's Edward from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. I just want to take a moment to walk around this gorgeous Mercedes-Benz C63 that's just come into stock with us. It's a 2013 registered car, which, as many of you know from the shape, it is a naturally aspirated 6.2 litre V8 with a well over 400 horsepower. I think it's 450 brake horsepower. It's got some lovely options on this particular car as well. We've got the 19-inch multispoke alloy wheels. Also got Maxton Design front splitter, privacy glass in the rear. And it is in very good condition. Coming around the rear, we've got the carbon lip spoiler there too. And the quad tailpipes, which we'll take a listen to shortly. This car does have the split folding rear seats. So whilst the boot is rather large, you do have a bit more room if needed. Inside. Got the hard back bucket seats here, which I'll show in a second. And the opening sunroof too. If I hop inside here, you can see 42,587 miles. It's got our infotainment screen there, sat nav, Bluetooth, heated seats, dual climate control. We've got our nice covers here, cup holders, and the different driving modes as well. Incredible cars. Very rare if we have another car that sounds like that. But do let me know if you have any other questions or anything else I may help with. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.